This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by checking prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Verify your device has at least 4 GB RAM, 20 GB free disk, and stable network. This prevents mid-install failures. Next, sign into or create your VEO account because authentication happens early. Once done, download the current VEO3 installer. Do not run it yet. Make sure your admin credentials are ready and close resource heavy apps so the installer can finish without interruptions. Now you run the installer and configure VEO3 for your environment. Start the installer as administrator. Accept permission prompts and any driver installs to ensure hardware access. Choose custom install if you need a specific data folder or non-standard port. This helps with backups and network policies. During the setup wizard, sync your account settings, select privacy levels, and enable auto update so you receive patches. Once configured, the service will register and initialize background tasks automatically. Finish by launching VEO3 and verifying core functionality. Open the app, confirm the service starts, and the UI loads quickly. This proves configuration succeeded. Test with a simple import, run a search, and check that sync status shows green so you know data flows correctly. If something goes wrong, restart the VEO service and then review the log files in the Program Data Logs folder. Those entries show errors. If necessary, gather logs and contact support with timestamps for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.